guys, it's Rick. Welcome back to the HDVIBE channel. If you'd like to see more tips, tricks, rides, reviews, product installs on my Harley-Davidson touring motorcycles, information about motorcycles, and the motorcycle community at large, I ask that you please hit the subscribe button. And when you do subscribe, please let me know that you have subscribed in the comments so that I can personally reach out and thank you for supporting the channel. Also, please hit the bell icon so that you do get notified and don't miss out on any future upcoming content. So today, it's wintertime here in the Midwest, and we're going to be talking about heated gear. I know I did a video a couple of weeks ago about this Volt heated jacket liner, but today I want to show you another product, and also stay tuned to the very end because I am going to reveal a discount code that is going to make this jacket liner and this other product that I'm going to show you today a rockin' deal. So stay tuned and we'll get into it right after this. So guys, today I want to talk about heated gear. Here in the Midwest, it's getting cold. And in order to extend our ride time, I think one of the great ways to do that is with heated gear. A few weeks ago, I showed you this Volt Heat 12-volt heated jacket liner that I installed and set up for my 2019 Road King Special. So I've had some time to ride with this jacket, and I will tell you, it is performed flawlessly. I took it on a 200-mile trip a couple of weeks ago. Temperatures were in the 40s, and I set this on the lowest setting, and I was warm and toasty the entire ride. So that's a little bit of an update on this product. Again, it is a very premium product at a value price. And what I want to talk to you about today, and Volt actually sent out to me their matching 12-volt heated gloves that go with this jacket liner. So let me tell you a little bit about these gloves. So these gloves are a top grain cowhide here on the top. They have the Volt logo V on them. The gloves themselves have heating elements both through the top of the glove as well as through the palm, and then across every finger including the thumb. Now these are a gauntlet style glove. They do have on the gauntlet part of the glove, it is a vinyl. And in addition to all of the heating elements on this glove, it is a thinsulate material. So from a sizing perspective, I typically use a large in my motorcycle riding gloves. I ordered a large and Volt sent a large out to me, and these fit just fine. So not only do you get these gloves, you also get the harness that connects into your bike. And this is the exact same harness that I got that came with the 12-volt jacket liner. So I actually already have this connected to the Road King Special. So what I'm going to do is actually install this on the Street Glide Special so I can go between bikes with this heated jacket liner and these gloves. So they send this along, that's included in the package, so that you can actually run just with the gloves if you order them separately with your other gear that is not heated. In addition to the gloves, you also get the controller. So if you aren't running these gloves with the heated jacket liner and connected into the sleeves, you can run these by themselves with this thermostat, and I believe it has 5 settings on it. So you just click up and down, and it will control the amount of heat that you need on these gloves. So I will need to replace the fuse in my current harness that's on the Road King Special so that I do have enough amperage to cover both the jacket and the liner. So if you do have the Volt jacket liner itself, as you can see, it's pretty. There's a coax that connects into your jacket like this, and then that will control the temperature of the gloves. And remember, this jacket comes with a dual temperature controller, so I can control the actual jacket temperature separate from the glove temperature, so that I can set either one at the right level so that I am comfortable. And I will tell you, these gloves are very comfortable. They're very flexible. I think these will be great for riding the bike on those cold days. And what I like about it is I don't have heated grips on either one of my bikes. And this is a great alternative to actually installing heated grips. And I think one that will actually save you some money, because if you have Harley Davidson and you want to get Harley Davidson heated grips on your touring motorcycles, the grips themselves are well in excess of $200. So in addition to the heated grips themselves, which are over $200, you would have to incur the labor charges if you had the dealership install it, and it's not a super easy install because you do have to take on the, like on the Street Glide, the fairing off. You have to get up under. All the wiring harness is there. On my Road King Special, I believe I would have to actually buy another wiring harness. So it's an investment. I would say by the time you're all said and done with harnesses, labor, the actual products, you're probably in the $500 to $600 range. I think these gloves are a great alternative to that, and you can use them when you like in the winter to extend your riding season. And again, you can either use them in conjunction with a jacket liner, the Volt jacket liner, or you can run them separately off of the separate controller that I just showed you. I hope you've stayed tuned to this point in the video, because right now I'm going to put up a discount code, and I have worked with the folks at Volt to give you, my viewers and subscribers, this excellent discount. So the code will be popped up right here. It is HDVIBE 20, and what that 20 stands for is a 20% discount off the price on Volt's website. And I will have a link to the motorcycle gear that you can utilize this code on in the description of this video. And it is a special link. It is an affiliate link, so I do make just a little bit of commission off, and all that really goes to support the channel. In addition, any purchase over $50 off the Volt Heat website through the link that I have will give you free shipping. So not only do you get a 20% discount, you get free shipping. You can't ask for anything more than that. So right now, this jacket, as of this recording, is on sale at $199. So it's not only on sale, you get 20% off of that. And then these gloves, the heated 12-volt gloves, are actually at $179.99, and then you take 20% off of that. So essentially, you can get a heated jacket liner with the dual controller. You can get the gloves with its separate controller. If you order both, it's going to be around $300. And this is premium product. This jacket liner has performed flawlessly. Obviously, I haven't utilized the gloves because I just got those in the mail recently. But this is a smoking deal that I hope you take advantage of. So let's wrap it up. I want to leave you with this thought. Life is short. Get out and ride the bike. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.